हेलो एवरीवन। आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि हाउ यू विल गेट योर आरएमजी डिटेल्स यू इन योर मोबाइल यूजिंग टीम्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स में हाउ यू विल एक्सेस योर आरएमजी डिटेल्स। सो स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो टीम्स। So this is your teams. Now you have to log in your teams using your pin which you have set. Now after this you will find your name here, and here on the top left side you will find chat. You have to click on that chat logo. Then after chat logo you have to click on again on the chat logo. After this you will find this that you got some this page. After this you have to click on this third logo. This you have to click here, and you will find that your organization, and here you will find Rajesh Gopinathan is your chief executive officer, and Ganpati Subramani is your chief operating officer, Venkateshwari Sriramani is your head business unit head TCS FS teams, Anju Nebi program manager TCF. Yeah, after Anju you will find Pankaj Mamtani. This is my RMG. If you want to connect and get this mail, you have to click here on this. You have to click there. Now you will find the delivery manager. He is my RMG. I have to connect with him. If any doubt, then I have to connect with him. That this is the email of your RMG. You will connect with them or directly message using the Teams. Okay, and the location officer. What is the location? This is also mentioned here. Okay, friends. So this is how you will access the RMG details in mobile using Teams, Microsoft Teams. Okay, so this is all about today's video. If you like, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon for all latest updates. Thank you, friends. Take care. Have a nice day.